There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, we forgot intro. We gotta have the intro. There we go. How you doing, guys? Welcome to Bitcoin Daily. And as you see, are we mentally ready for 100k? That's the big question, right? Because we got this thing over here, and if you go to the daily time frame and look at it like this over here, it looks like he wants to bounce. It looks like he wants to bounce, and if it bounces, you know, we are pretty much looking at 100k, right? We are not thinking that we are gonna go above the channel, but you know, we are looking at least, you know, up here, right? If it does break the line. Now, I still haven't broken the line over here. That's the, you know, resistance level up here, and you'll see it very nicely on the channel right over here. And this is what we're looking for right now. Can it break the line? That's the big question. Can it get out of this channel? Because if it gets out of the channel, it's gonna go a little bit up here towards the upside. At least the top line up here, like we just said, like 103, 104k. So that's what we're looking for. But are we mentally ready? Can we handle the 100k Bitcoin? I don't know about you guys, but you know, I'm a little bit worried. You know, stuff is gonna be pumping big time. You know, we gotta be prepared mentally to handle 100k Bitcoin. I'm ready since start anyway, not far off, not far off. Very, very close, 96k over here. The lows down here, we came back down to 90k. Right now bouncing. We're still, you know, in this range over here. Right now, and we just zigzagging right now. Technically, we're just doing, you know, we're just doing the triangle, bigger triangle over here right now, and we're still looking for, you know, where this is gonna go. So it's not very clear where this is gonna go, but it does look nice. It does look nice. Also, the fact that we managed to get this doji up here, and right now we might actually curve this, you know, this 10 moving average up here towards the upside. We still need to see how this plays out, because if this jumps over here, this starts, you know, crossing over here, this starts pulling back, we might see again, you know, 90k levels towards downside. So I'm not looking at that right now, but I'm still looking, you know, where this is gonna break out. Now, RSI on the daily time frame have been pulled back from 85 all the way down to 60 levels, which I consider, you know, decent pullback. You can see over here we already had a bearish cross. We are right now pulling back. The the overextensions has been consolidated, so everything looks nice. On the weekly time frame, we are not pulling back, but we are still in a up trending trajectory over here towards the upside. Not much actually happened. Over here there was a pullback, right? But over here I don't think we're gonna get this pullback over here back down to these lines over here. We're definitely getting 40 levels up here. Could we get some kind of 60 levels over here? That could be the case, but I think that, you know, there is a good chance this just continues towards upside. Now the weekly time frame over here just started. We get this light green candle up here on the momentum, but it's still increasing towards the upside. It looks like it might actually go towards the upside, but we have still a lot way to go. And right now the overextension also is pulling back on the overextension chart. If you look over here on on these candlesticks over here, this is actually a very bearish candle. Oftentimes this becomes a big red candle towards the downside. It pulls back something like this over here, but in very bullish scenarios, these candles up here tend to break towards the upside and continue over here towards the upside. So I'm definitely still looking for how this candle is going to close out. Now this is the weekly candle, so you know, it might take a little bit of time, but we are not quite there just yet. On the other hand, it does look very, very nice over here, and the fact that we are still holding above this 10 moving average and we are not dropping down over here, gets me very, very bullish, because oftentimes when you get something like this over here, you tend to break up here, and then, you know, you go over here towards downside. But right now, this first move up here, second move, there is definitely this move that can actually go all the way down here. Then, you know, this increases towards downside, and then at one point over here you break that and you go into the other direction, right? So this move over here, this side up here, can actually come very, very easily. Are you mentally ready for $10 XRP? I don't know about that, man. XRP is right now 5.8%. This is inverted chart. Right now it's still, you know, going towards the upside up here. At least it's zigzagging above the resistance level. The 2.8 level up here, that's exactly 10x. And over here you see right now, from the very bottom of the chart over here, from very bottom up here at 2.25 all the way towards the top up here, it's exactly 10x. So the way I see it, XRP already did 10x. Can it do 20x now? That's the big question, right? So over here to over here, that's 10x, and 20x is all the way up Where is all the way up here? This is 20x for XRP, $6. Can it do $6? I think it can if it actually can manage to break this, you know, 10x level resistance at 2.87, which actually looks very, very nice so far. If you look a little bit the indicators down here on the weekly time frame, we are definitely extended like you know what. So I should expect some kind of consolidation or something like that. So we're gonna see how this plays out. Detta enda moro längst in jag har sett på. Dessvärre har jag varit här, you know, a little bit too long. I've heard more people flood chats for XRP than they have for years. Yeah, so everybody's definitely, you know, XRP maniac right now. You gotta, guys, you gotta understand when it comes to XRP. XRP has a huge community, and XRP is doing very well right now. Let me show you something. Beside this over here, yeah, right now, you know, our trade is playing out perfectly right now. 30% up. It was 60%, so I can, you know, I'm failing to sell, but that wasn't what I want to show you. I want to show you the all-time chart of XRP. You can see up here that XRP right now is coming to these, you know, previous stops over here. It's almost at all-time high. But more importantly, Tron yesterday did a 100% move, and let me show you Tron chart over here. And Tron is right now at all-time high. You can see up here, it came out all the way up here to whatever that is. Can I? 0.22, right? And over here at this stop was 0.15, and right now it's 0.39. So it's all-time high. It's even beat the previous 2017 top. So in 2017 went pretty high. In 2021 it didn't even break the all-time high over here, and right now it is breaking all-time high, right? So this is actually very interesting, because I always said that coins that have, you know, 2017 top and 2021 top cannot even break the previous top, they're pretty much dead coins. But this over here shows that that's not the case. Tron came back like you know what, and right now it's exploding through the roof, right? So I don't know if there is some kind of change in fundamentals when it comes to Tron or not, but the fact that, you know, the coins are not just dying because you get a all-time high up here and then a lower all-time high 2021 does not mean it's a dead coin, right? And that was my previous assessment when it comes to coins. If you have some kind of coin that did well in 2017 but didn't do that well in 2021, my assessment was it's a dead coin, right? But if you look right now at XRP, for example, and Tron shows that this is definitely possible. Right now you'll see over here 2017 big pump, 2021 not so much pump. That's why my target over here was at 1.2, 1.4, and right now we are sitting at 1.7 when it comes to XRP. So my assessment that, you know, coins are dead if they fail to get a new all-time high every single bull market, and right now Tron showed us that that's not the case, and right now this is also showing us that that's definitely possible, that a coin that actually goes up, lower and lower every time does not initially means that it is a dead coin, right? And we right now see that. Unfortunately, and the chart up here is very good. Now let's look at EOS. Is EOS a dead coin? Because EOS, this is 2017, this is 2021 bull market. You can see that EOS is going down, but problem with EOS is that this bear market is lower than previous. This bear market over here is lower than this bear market over here, and that's always a bad sign. So after the bull market in 2021, EOS went lower than the previous bear market, right? And that's actually a very, very bad thing. Now, will EOS come above, whatever this is, $10, or if you hit $20 up here in 2017, I don't know, but this is actually a bad chart. When you look at XRP and Tron, they actually had a very, very good charts. So if you look at XRP over here right now, you'll see this is the 2018-19 bear market. It came as low down at 0.15, 0.18, but over here, as soon as it hit 0.3, it was just climbing towards upside. So the bear market right now in 2020 and in 2023 over here, the bear market over here is actually higher than the bear market in 2019, right? So it is actually a very, very strong chart. And the same thing goes for Tron. So if you look at Tron over here right now, you'll see that even Tron over here in 2019 bear market, it was down like 0.2, 0 point something, but over here as soon as it hits 0.05, Yeah, 0, not 0.2, 0.0 to 0.03, right? As soon as it hit 0.05, it was just kind of climbing. So this bear market is higher than previous bear market. That's actually a very important distinction between, you know, dead coins and not dead coins. And the reason we are talking about dead coins is we got some stuff called name coin. This is one of the oldest coins, and there is another one also. But if you look at these old coins, right, very old coins, and what you're gonna see over here, you got you know, 2013 bull market, 2017 bull market, 2021 bull market, and that's why I've been saying that, you know, these dead coins don't do that well. You can see that the bull markets do not pump the coin that much, right? And this over here was 0.02, 0.3. Over here came, sorry, 0.4. This is 0.4 again. Over here, this is price is 1, and this is actually higher up here. Over here it came all the way down to 0.03, so it goes lower a little bit, or at least as low as the previous bear market, right? It's not climbing. So this kind of dead coin, this is what I call a dead coin, right? Every single bull market, they go lower and lower and lower, right? Now the question is whether there is a line over here that goes something like this over here, from this top over here towards downside. Will it right now break the line, and, you know, name coin is gonna do you know, explode through the roof, because, you know, it's all coin for whatever reason. It might do that. I mean, it might do that. There is another coin called Peer coin, has the same kind of chart. It's also 1,142 on the coin market cap over here. It's 1 million coin, but it's got the same chart, right? Over here it did explode a little bit, but, you know, it pulls back. Like over here is 0.36, over here is 0.24, and over here it's 0.3 again. Like it just not doing anything worthwhile. Let's see a logarithmic chart on all of this over here, right? It pulls back big time over here, but, you know, and you see this bear market up here goes lower than this bear market. This one up here came. This one is up, actually up a little bit higher than this one over here, but it's still very low. Now, will these coins come back? And my theory that there might be chance for these coins to come back. And the reason for that is these are, you know, Peer coin and name coin and maybe some other coins. They are like OG coins of the crypto, right? And I think a lot of people want to buy these coins just, you know, I have this coin that was, you know, made in 2000 or whatnot, and, you know, it's OG coin, and there is that. So will these coins come back or not? I don't know. But XRP has a good chart. Tron has actually a good chart. Tron is one of the, you know, had one of the most beautiful charts in the entire, you know, space over here. And we've been following Tron since, you know, down here at the bottom when it starts climbing. Like, it just had a very nice chart. It went very slow. I mean, the slowness over here went very slow, and then suddenly, as soon as it broke these all-time highs up here, retested, it just exploded like 100% towards the upside, right? But it was very slow and painful move towards the upside, and right now it's just exploding towards the upside. But it was following Bitcoin pretty you know, pretty well, right? Over here from these bottoms, this 2019, 21. 22 up here. This is Bitcoin capitulation over here. It hasn't been outperforming Bitcoin. It hasn't been outperforming Bitcoin, but it's been better than a lot of other coins, right? It didn't go down that much versus Bitcoin over here, from the very top over here to the bottom. It was only down like 50% versus Bitcoin, but at one point it just explodes and it outperforms Bitcoin big time over here right now, right? But it's been going, it's been holding up very well versus Bitcoin all through the bull market. And if you look at on the chart of Tron, if you look at the chart on Tron, it was actually really easy hodl for Tron holders, right? So all the Tron holders that, you know, was buying down here or down here and were hodling still, I mean, this was very easy hodl. It just kind of went slowly towards upside before the right now exploded towards upside, and it's doing very well, right? And this also is a 10x move right now. You can see over here, this is a Tron, this is a 10x move from the top to the bottom, and XRP's got the same kind of thing over here. It's got a 10x move. So both Tron and XRP did a 10x move, but the difference is that XRP did is this 10x move? No, this difference is, yeah, this is 10x move. So from the very start, both Tron and XRP did a 10x move, but the difference is the Tron chart goes like this over here. So it was really easy hodl, right? While the XRP did this move over here. It's a different kind of chart, but they both did the 10x. Literally both did the 10x. which is actually very, very nice to see. Even week 5 is saying chill. How you doing, man? Stack XRP in 2000. Damn, man. Hey, man, time for a daily dust check. I love the market cap. Jag köpte kebab på Oda ända eller? Nej. I bought market trading platform. They just closed me out of 21,000% extra chain low metals, stating they are illiquid on XRP. Spending trading is closing trades. There is definitely, you know, shady exchanges out there, but I don't know. Så kommer det sälja lite för $4 lite mer på 5 och 6 vi ser drar till. So when it comes to, you know, if it can break like the 10x move, I think it's gonna go for 20x. I think both Tron and XRP can do like 20x moves from the bottom, which gives them a 50% more move to the upside. Time for Luna. Luna is that coin but will pump eventually like all other altcoins. I don't know about that, man. Luna is not just dead. It's broken, right? Luna. But yeah, it might pump like everything else over here. It's just moving towards the upside. But, you know, it's a trader's coin, right? I mean, if a dog and a cat can pump, Luna can pump, right? Is Dash a dead coin in your opinion? Nah, I don't think so. Dash is a dead coin. I don't know anything about fundamentals of Dash. But let me see the chart of Dash over here. Because this just shows you, you know, most data, you know, on the chart. This 2017, it looks like a dead coin though, because over here, you know, at these bottoms over here, it was the price was, you know, around $100, $50 at lowest, and then it came in this bear market up here, it came even lower, like $30, which I never like, right? So I would say, you know, this is characteristic of a dead coin. I don't know, you know, it's still gonna pump. It might even pump above, you know, previous all-time high up here, $1,000 or whatnot, right? I really don't like. I was wrong on XRP, definitely. I was wrong on other coins, but you know, I still believe that there are dead coins, and some dead coins won't make, you know, new all-time highs. I mean, it's just the way these things are, right? Over here, it was down at $100, all the way down to $50 up here, something like $50, and over here you can see it ends below that. I mean, it goes down to $23 over here, right? It went down as low as $22. Did it ever go down that much? No, $40 was lowest over here in 2020, just before the 2021 bull market. But right now it's lower than that. I never liked that you know, the price goes lower than the previous bear market. That's kind of, you know, bad omen. By the way, Chappies is pumping right now 50%. Besides Chappie right now, I don't see any, you know, coins above 20% right now. This early day. I mean, there might come some coins. CRV is up 30% right now on the daily. CRV is pumping. Right now it's going to this blue box, so we're gonna see how it plays out after that. Cake is up 17%. So if Cake is pumping, there's a good chance for Sushi, Uniswap, and all of these, you know, DEXs to pump. So if Cake is pumping, you know, there might be good chance. But Cake is Cake is BNB coin, and BNB coin has been performing well lately. So it might just, you know, be that. But I think that, you know, technically, you know, these sectors of coins like DEXs and stuff like that, layer 2 chains, like sectors goes sector by sector, right? So if one coin in some sector starts pumping crazy, the other might follow, right? The other might follow. What more do we have right now? Ethereum up here, still, you know, trying to get up there at the resistance level over here. It looks like we are going in some kind of rising wedge, and rising wedges are technically bearish, so we should expect pullback and then go towards that downside over here. But if it breaks up, it's gonna be very, very, very bullish. Right now, Bitcoin again is still sitting above this 10-20 moving average up here, still consolidating, still waiting for this to move, make a, you know, decisive move either up or down over here. But it does look okay so far. MPC coin just smashed through 300 million market on the road to billions. The biggest meme on this cycle. Nah, that's definitely not the biggest meme of this cycle. Luna, no one sees DGB. Crypto speculation defines logic. XRF meme coins. XRP don't have meme coins. I don't know any meme coins on XRP. XRP market. XRP, you had XR Doge in 2021. It went up 100x. Damn. And it was microcap Voxel. Voxel is not microcap. This isn't microcap, guys. What's the market cap on Voxel? It's a 57 million market cap. It's not micro cap, man. I consider micro cap anything below 10 million right now. Maybe even, you know, below 5 million. 5, 10 million, that's a micro cap. But, you know, 50 million, that's not a micro cap. It looks like it's breaking out of this over here line, and then you can actually adjust over here. So it's right now going inside this, you know, this empty room over here before it actually starts breaking out. Is one dead coin a matic? Nah, they're not dead coins. Great catch, another lovely stream. Matush boy. I don't. Bori, not Matush boy, Matush Bori. Anyway, guys, just a quick update on what's happening. Not much, but we are still waiting. We're still waiting. This looks okay over here on Bitcoin so far because the daily candle is not closed just yet. You'll see over here we had this move down here to the bottom of 93 where we actually were expecting that. We are still kind of over here consolidating, just, you know, try to go down, up here, and I think there is a good chance up here for this to break towards the downside over here. I think there is a good chance to break this towards downside, but we'll see, because it can, you know, for whatever reason also, you know, do this move over here towards upside. So it's not done just yet. I think it's gonna be a while before it's done, but it's not done just yet. On the other hand, again, it looks good, it looks nice. Still waiting for this move to tell us, you know, where the next bullishness is. On the other hand, if it breaks towards downside up here, we are looking for the box, we are looking for the, you know, box that goes a little bit, you know, towards upside up here. We are looking for any kind of box over here if it goes down here before the bounce. On the other hand, if it starts breaking up here towards upside, we are looking for a move all the way up to the top line up here at around 108. So it depends on when you come there, but, you know, 105 to 108k, 110k up here. That's what I'm looking for if it goes towards upside after that. Check Brett, the trading. Yeah, I did that already in the start of the stream. It's doing okay, man. It's doing 43% up right now. So, you know, we're doing okay since yesterday, but it was up 60%. So, you know, we are above. We have 194 bucks, so we are technically above 180. You know, we recovered from the losses, so it's very good. I think the thing that I was waiting for is this 1 hour close. I was expecting this doji up here at the bottom. We didn't get a perfect doji. We actually got a red candle up here. When it comes to the 5 minutes. 5 minutes over here. Yeah. Should we take profits? I entered 2 with you. Nice. But we are down by a bunch. But I don't know. Should we close the trade? We are up 40%. We are at 190 bucks. We are above, you know, entry point. So, you know, we might trade tonight again. What you say? Paulo, you'd make the decision. Should we take profits over here right now? It'd be nice to get above 200. Like, if you get above 200, man, I'm staying. You staying? Prediction, price prediction of Tron, end of the bull market. Wherever it's now, where is it? When price prediction for Tron, it's very easy. So over here, let's go to monthly time frame up here. So this is 10x, and you know, I think it can definitely do, you know, up here at 0.9. I don't know if it's gonna be to go to $1, but maybe very close to $1 up here. I'm gonna say over here 0.9, give or take. I think it can go more, because if it breaks up here at 0.45, that's a 10x move, then it's going definitely to 20x, and 20x is 0.9, and at that point it's gonna be very, very extended towards upside. That's almost doubling of the market cap over here. I don't know what kind of market cap he has right now, but nobody ever got broke by taking profits. True, but nobody ever got rich by you know, by nobody. But nobody got rich by selling, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what's the inverse saying of that is. Anyways, there is a channel up here. It looks like it's breaking this channel up here towards the upside up here a little bit. So it does look good. So maybe we should just keep the, you know, trade a little bit longer over here. And I don't know. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna look at. I'm gonna go and take, you know, a little quick break, and I'm gonna look at it, and then I'm gonna decide whether I'm gonna sell or not. And you know, but the best part is we got 100 back. We are back at 190. You know, above 180 bucks. So, you know, we can trade more. And, you know, tonight there will be another, you know, live stream where we trade. So do make sure to, you know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, join the Telegram chat. See, that's my kids. That's my kid. I gotta go. I gotta go. Meme is recovering in general. I'm staying. You think they're recovering? I don't know. Let's go and check out meme coins over here. So where are meme coins? So you got a Pepe up here. Let's go to daily time frame up here. I mean, they're consolidating. They're not recovering just yet. I mean, Dogecoin is bouncing up here a little bit. Pepe is also, you know, just zigzagging over here. Shiba actually went up here and right now consolidating. Don't mind the line. It's consolidating up here. I think they're still consolidating. This is still consolidating towards downside. Every single bearish, you know, line over here kind of holds the support line. And VIF is also consolidating. But maybe they're end of the consolidation parts right now, where they should go towards the upside, right? Maybe this, you know, consolidation part right now, you know, maybe these are the moves that we are expecting right now. This already came through the consolidation. Right now, just doing this next part, consolidation, faster consolidation than this one before it goes. Over here, this has been consolidating towards the upside, which is actually very bullish, but if it can, you know, do this move up here, that kind of depends. And Pepe over here also been consolidating for a long while. So right now we are at, you know, I think both Bitcoin and everything else is at, you know, crossroads. Where will it go next? Yeah, end of consolidation. It might be end of consolidation. So we're gonna see that. We're gonna see how this where this plays out. Eventually. And Brett over here, 1 hourly. I'm just looking at this 1 hourly, right? And you know, I'll tell you tonight whether I sold or not. I'll tell you tonight whether I sold. Guys, I'll see you around. Bye bye. Take care.